You're about to go. Shut. Shh. Quiet. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You move again, I'm going to put you on the ground. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court.
Midnight, a high-speed chase just ended outside. Scene open hot high. Chase Kadam Ho Chuki high. Driver bad Gaya. Lekin Ekansan Piche Ray Gaya. 22-year-old Brianna Lobby Main Kadi High, Shayad Ubi Taxam Age Nahi Rahi Kuwob Investigation Ka Center Ban Chuki High. 023, you have the right to remain silent. Yahan Miranda Warning Initiate Hodi High. AAP Notice Carrying Kai's officers simultaneously control maintain car Raha High, you move again, I'm going to put you on the ground. Ya Custodial Threshold Moment High. Jab Jishi Ko formally detain ya arrest Kia Jada High, Unko unconstitutional rights Badan illegally Zarori Hoda High. Situation Bilkul Tense Ho Gai. Ek Taraf high speed felony fleeing, Dusri Taraf confused bystander claim. Short summary, driver farer. Brianna legal spotlight main.
To do it like you looking for some people, but I literally was with some people, but I don't have nothing to do with that. Somebody just gave me $10. That's what's in my hand. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. So you don't have anything to do with what? What are you talking about? You came with some people. Where did they go?
I don't know where they went, but they left me. Like I came in here to use the phone, and that's my $10. Like you can literally ask them. I don't know where they...
Do you have an ID or anything on you?
My ID's not with me, but I'm 22 years old. I don't have no reason to lie to you. Somebody gave me $10, like literally. I came in here and asked him, because I'm not from out here, you feel what I'm saying? I came out here with some people, literally. I don't have no reason to lie. I'm from Peoria.
Why'd you choose these ones?
I was with some people. I wasn't driving, you feel what I'm saying? I'm not going to lie to you, because I'm telling you the truth, you feel what I'm saying? If anything...
052, I don't have nothing to do with that. Narrative shift Hoda High. Innocent bystander card play Kia Jaraha High. $10 Hoff Main, distraction ya coincidence? Officer simple Sawal Karda High, okay, you don't have anything to do with what? AAP notice carrying technique, open-ended questioning. Jab suspect vague statement Dita High, officer clarify Karwada High. Yeah interrogation ka basic rule high, detail mango. Critical turning point yahan high, ID nahi high. Identity verbally claim ki jawrahi high. Jab ID absent ho, verification process or intense ho jada high. AAP kia sakti hain? Agar AAP innocent oat, kia AAP story itni fragmented deet?
Who's that?
One of them name is Kamaya. The other one named Bree.
What's Kamaya's last name?
Gibbons.
Gibbons?
Yes. I'm not finna sit here and lie to you.
Okay, listen, I'm going to tell you this again. If you lie to me for this, so don't lie to me at all, okay?
I'm not.
Okay, so Kamaya, how do you spell Kamaya?
Kamaya, her name is C-A-M-I-Y-A, but somebody did give me $10 though.
Okay, yeah, we got $10. We got that point.
What's the other girl's name?
Bree.
Bree, B-R-I-E?
Yeah.
What's her last name?
The same.
Gibbons as well?
Yes.
They live in Peoria too?
Yes. And I'm not finna be, you feel me? I'm not finna go to jail for no
So what did you guys come over to Walmart for today?
They wanted to come to Walmart.
Okay.
For what?
I didn't know what I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't know what they was doing, you feel what I'm saying? They didn't tell me what
Don't yell.
My bad, they didn't tell me, no, because I'm kind of nervous, you feel me? They didn't tell me what they was doing. I really did not know what they was doing. I don't have no reason to lie.
What were they doing?
Huh?
What were they doing?
They was basically out here stealing.
Okay.
And I was with them, you feel me? I came from the bathroom, like, I literally was scared, so I asked somebody.
It's all on video, then I'm going to look at that, okay?
So then why are you carrying an empty backpack and the only thing in there is Walmart bags?
I'm not going to lie to you.
Then don't lie to me.
I feel like you're not being truthful.
No, I did come with them, you feel what I'm saying? Like, came with them, I did.
You were going to take stuff, but you did.
Yeah, like, they literally, you feel what I'm saying? They literally, like, come on, and I'm literally telling them, like, I'm literally looking for them, and they gone. You feel me? And I'm not gonna lie.
202, I was with my cousin. Abdeki Kaislayers Peel Ho Rahi Hain. Names A Rahi Hain. Spellings confirm Ho Rahi Hain. Officer clearly bolta high, if you lie to me, don't lie at all. Yeah, psychological pressure build karna nahi, yeah, legal positioning high. False statement obstruction ya hindering charge tak luja sakta high. 313, they was recently out here stealing. Boom. Admission AA Gaya. Yahan officer ka file ka asar turant dikta high. Com, structured questioning any confession extract Carly. Short summary, presence at theft scene confirm. Direct participation partial admit.
I did get scared and they left.
What's your last name?
My last name is Dunnigan.
How do you spell that?
Dunnigan. Like, I don't have no warrants or nothing. You know what I'm saying?
What's your address?
I'm really homeless. So I live with Kamaya.
What's her address?
It's 3403 West Oak Ridge Drive, apartment 2C. No,
We're just trying to figure out what's going on. Okay.
I know that, but it's just like, yeah, I might have ran from the lady because I really, you feel me? I wasn't paying those to come out here. You feel what I'm saying?
Okay, but you did say you were coming out here to steal, but you just didn't take anything.
She's kind of scared. She kind of scared me a little bit.
You scared you? So you decided you weren't going to take the stuff? What all were you coming to take?
I mean, I was going to give me some of those because, like I said, I really hop in from house to house. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you.
You're trying to get what? Clothes or food or what?
Like, I was trying to get some clothes. I make sure my lip gloss and
Yeah, I'll make sure we get all
and my money with me.
We'll put it in there.
So you making sure I don't have no warrants?
I'm just making sure you don't have and that you are who you say you are.
I am. Okay. Like, I literally...
Dunnigan is Dunigan?
Yes. It's Kamaya's mom.
Okay.
If I don't have any warrants or anything, then can y'all take me back to Peoria?
We shall see, okay?
Because I don't have nowhere, like they literally left me.
Okay. What's that?
That's not mine.
That's in your bag?
They got that from another store though. She got that from Walmart in Peoria, on University.
And that was Kamaya?
No, that was her mom.
Okay. Why is it in your bag?
Because she put it in my bag.
341, you were going to take stuff, but you didn't. Yeah, nuance important high. Intent be crime co category main AA sakta high, especially conspiracy attempted theft. AAP notice carrying Kai's empty backpack point out hoda high. Evidence circumstantial high, lekin relevant. Why is it in your bag? Of physical evidence connect ho raha high narrative se. Situation of maximum escalate ho sakti t, lekin officer tone measured rock to high. No shouting. No force. Sir facts. Yahan deki har second ka impact kitna critical high, agar contradiction pakar jada, arrest immediate ho sakti t.
I'm sorry, it's a symbol of what?
A symbol of Christ. It's an abhorrence. I'm not even gonna lie. I was just on tattoo. I'm saying, hello people with this eye on their neck. I'm doing my research. They went through sexual abuse, sexual assault. I got touched on when I was a little girl. Nobody went to the police because you know how black families is. Whatever stays in the home goes on in the home, however they do it. So I did my research. I'm like, I'm gonna get it. It's a symbol of Christ, a symbol of protection. I did my research. I figured out which one to actually get because it's different meanings of the eyes. Like I think my line going to the left or the right. It's the symbol of Christ. That's and with the triangle. That's why I don't understand. That's why I had to do my research on the different eyes to make sure I got the correct one only. Because I'm like, no, I'm not gonna be walking around people attacking me. Think I'm with that new body. I'm not with none of that. I'm not with them. They by themselves. Yes. car. When he told me that I didn't have no receipt, I'm running looking for the car to explain it to my mom so she could explain to him how I'm paying. She was nowhere to be found. He was picking at us. I don't like that. He was picking at us at that door. He was like, where y'all riding? They left y'all, woo-woo this, woo-woo that. I'm running all around the parking lot looking for my mom. That's how we ran into Officer Thomas up there. He said he was going to go ahead grocery shop and he seen us running. He said like, dang, look right to him. So he pulled out his bag. I'm like, you not even on the block. I'm your business.
So you're up from Georgia? What part?
Augusta.
Okay.
Like 2 miles away from Atlanta.
Yeah. Atlanta is where my daughter wants to move.
Since I'm not going to take you to jail, let me take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Why you taking it? Why you being petty? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Officer Thomas acts like he's everybody's like everybody's father. Like you could be an adult and he'd be your father.
I could tell he gives me script dad vibes.
Yes, exactly.
Like
Yes.
he don't play, he give me like script dad vibes. That's what I'm saying. Well, he asking about my mom. That's not her mom. That's me and Jasmine, real mom. He asking the wrong person. Of course, Jasmine and my other sister. When we came in, my mom dropped me and her off at this door because I had to pee. And she parked. Jasmine and my other sister went through their door. So that's what he asked. Can you tell him? Because I don't even know what they're going to say. Because he's going to get a gas in.
And here is the reality check. Under pressure.
602, tattoo explanation. Unexpected emotional layer enter Hody High. Trauma disclosure. Protection symbol. AAP notice carrying Kai's interrogation temporarily human conversation ban Jati High. Ya report strategy beho sakti high, ya genuine empathy. Lekin investigation pause nahi Hody. 720, parking lot running story. Or fur, reality bomb. 904, my mom. Driver, Uski apni ma. Yahan emotional impact maximum high. AAP kia expect car rahida. Cousin? Stranger? Nahi. Mother. Officer calmly Kata high. I would never leave my kid like that. Ya moral mirror moment high.
Brianna finally confesses. The maniac driver, the one who floored it and left her to face jail alone, was her own mother.
My mom, me, when this came through this door, Jazz and my older sister came through that door. That's why I wanted to tell you.
Okay, I'll see that video, but thank you for telling me that.
My mom never leave me. Brianna is still clinging to that fragile hope. She can't accept that the mother who dragged her into shoplifting just chose her own freedom over her daughter.
I don't know why she left us.
And she drove, I mean, she went through a field. I mean, it was crazy. And was going over 100 mile an hour through red lights. So, I don't know. I would never left my kid like that. I don't know if you guys got something
That's what
going
me
on.
and Jasmine said. I'm like, bro, my mom ain't never leave me. That's why we was running through the parking lot. Because I'm telling Jasmine, like, I don't see her car nowhere. I can't go over there to try to see that she move over there. I'm like, she ain't never just leave us here.
So I'm going to write you a ticket. You'll have a court date you have to go to. Okay, and that'll be that. They don't want you back at Walmart. They're going to give you paperwork saying you are banned from Walmart. Okay, just so you know. And that's every Walmart, not just this one. Okay? All right, I'll be right back with you. Okay?
A bitter scene. The officer she just lied to is the only one helping her charge her phone. The stranger lends a hand while her own flesh and blood is long gone.
I'm like, my damn sister, man. I'm going to put your phone on charge.
Burglar alarm from 101 201 on Power Drive. First and second floor burglary.
You want to call somebody?
And if you sign at the X, please put your phone number on there below. You use the wall if you want to write
Thank you.
You don't have to.
I remember my phone number.
You don't remember your phone number?
No, I got no problem with you. I don't dislike you. You did nothing to me.
Remember that court date, okay? Because otherwise you get a warrant, we don't want to see that.
950, I'm going to write you a ticket. Yeah, huge procedural decision high. Officer Kupas options the arrest for retail theft conspiracy. Obstruction charge. Detain further. Lekin cooperation ko basis par citation issue kia gaya. Trespass notice, lifetime Walmart ban. Legal context, retailers trespass authority use Cardi Hain. Ek bar ban ho gay, wapazeta separate criminal trespass charge. Yahan deki control banaya jaraha high, without cuffs.
alarm from Cloud 9 for a 6-1 scan.
Oh my God, Miss Arena. Just so I forgot his phone.
I'm probably my phone.
I'm dying. I'm weak as fuck, bro. No, I don't think it's fun.
Let me talk. Option A, we find you guys right because we can't just kick you out here on the street the way you guys are dressed.
1021, officer phone charge Karn main help Karta high. Irony Deki. JISSE Jabola Gaya, Wahi assistance to Raha high. AAP notice carrying Kai's procedural fairness car roll hoda high. Even suspect Kasaf dignity maintain ki Rahi high. Warning be clear, otherwise you get a warrant. Court date mandatory high. Agar appear nahi hui, bench warrant. Short reflection, system accountability demand Karta high, lekin discretion be allow Karta high.
You said Sam's Club.
Yep, because Walmart owns Sam's Club.
What the fuck? Since when? What the hell?
Yeah.
Let me just sign this shit.
There's 3 copies. And then there's 3 copies of the same paper. Because you'll get a copy as well.
Bernice, what's your date of birth again?
May 14, 2002.
May 14, 2002?
I put it in her book bag before we walked in the store. You can replay the cameras and see me putting it in her book bag before we came in the store. Yeah, that's my little pajama set, extra small. Not y'all wrong one, because I ain't see them. Hell no, I'm sitting out here telling them the whole time about my mouth drunk. They don't still drunk, fool. I'm drunk as hell. My mouth is fucking dry.
He's 19.
He's like, you 19? I'm sorry, you text me right now, it's like a good 75% alcohol in my damn system.
And before she leaves, the keys and there's knives and pepper spray on that. So.
Oh my God.
No, because he put that in. He's like, man, is that pepper spray?
I'm like, yeah, but you want to hold it? I want to go do that. I forgot that she was even.
He's like, won't get faced by me.
Like this is
Not fair, gotta
TikTok.
sit up.
Washington 20 for no lane and eluding is going to be 92.
Alright, so same thing for you. Trespass from all over the
Thank you, ma'am.
It's sign right there on all 3 copies.
I am.
Legal wrap-up phase. Charges landscape. Retail theft / attempted theft. Obstruction, false information. Aggravated fleeing, mother coup against felony. Critical lesson. Criminal loyalty fragile hodi high. Jab heat intense hodi high, survival instinct dominate Karta high. AAP notice carrying Kai's entire incident main force minimal the kyunki compliance gradual AA Gaya. Yeah example haiku har bodycam chaotic nahi hodi. Kabi battle psychological hodi high. Or Sab's powerful scene. 22 saw ki ladki, lobby main kadi, samaj rahi haiku jis paras and blind trust kia, wo 100 miles per hour pe red lights cross karka use Gaya. Yahan situation surf legal nahi, deeply personal t. Or isili a real life bodycam footage scripted drama se zayada raw hodi high. Decisions fast ode hain. Consequences long term. AAP Kia Sakti Hain, Agar Wo Peli Hai Sach Bol Dedi, Kia outcome different Hoda?
Open your bag, your zipper bag.
I'm not going to do something with it.
You already been trespassed from Walmart. Why are you back? Zip that up.
Under the advice that color is on for the employees on the
You got your picture straight.
Oh my God.
Girl, your mama, Suki. Oh, Suki.
Girl, that's not me. They in this bitch calling me Suki.